Lecture 5. How to write clear, creative prompts. Today, we're moving from what to how. This lecture is all about helping you write prompts that are both clear and creative, so you don't just get any image, but the image you actually want. Even though you're working with an AI, writing a prompt is a creative act. Think of it as a mix between writing a caption, giving instructions, and imagining a scene. And the better you get at this, the better and more personalized your results will be. In this lecture, you will learn how to take your basic prompt ideas and turn them into well-structured, imaginative instructions that Midjourney can understand and respond to effectively. We'll break down what makes a prompt clear, so the AI knows exactly what you want, and what makes it creative, so your results feel original and visually compelling. You will explore practical ways to describe subjects, settings, moods, and styles, and see how small word choices can shape the entire outcome. By the end, you will be able to write prompts that not only work, but inspire. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the key elements of a strong, effective prompt. Learn how to balance clarity with creativity in your wording. Practice expanding simple ideas into rich, descriptive phrases. Be able to write prompts that guide Midjourney toward the outcome you want. What makes a prompt clear? Clarity doesn't mean being stiff or robotic. It means being specific enough that Midjourney doesn't have to guess. When you say forest, Midjourney can give you anything from a misty jungle to a cartoon pine forest. But if you say dense pine forest with early morning fog and soft blue lighting, you are leading it somewhere intentional. Clarity means being specific with your subject, adding detail when it matters, lighting, mood, action. Avoid vague terms like nice, awesome, or beautiful unless paired with detail. The clearer your vision, the more Midjourney can match it. What makes a prompt creative? Creativity is what makes your image stand out. It's the fun part, the imaginative twist. You're not just saying dog, you're saying a golden retriever wearing a crown, sitting on a velvet throne, Renaissance painting style. Here's how you can infuse creativity. Combine unexpected ideas. Robot with forest, wizard with skateboard. Use visual or emotional adjectives. Dreamy, chaotic, soft, or glowing. Add action or storytelling. A fox playing violin under a moonlit sky. Mention a visual style or medium. Oil painting, cyberpunk, isometric, or watercolor. You're not just describing an object, you're building a scene or mood with your words. Prompt writing formula. Optional, not a rule. A useful structure to start with: subject plus action or setting, plus mood or lighting, plus style or medium. For example, a girl reading under a glowing tree in a quiet forest. Soft lighting, watercolor style. This gives Midjourney a subject, a scene, a tone, and a visual direction all in one sentence. Clarity and creativity in action. Examples. Let's compare. Too simple would be castle. Better prompt would be medieval stone castle on a hill at sunset. And the creative one would be a floating crystal castle above the clouds, glowing with pink light, fantasy art. Each version improves both the clarity and the creative value. Common mistakes to avoid: too short or vague. One or two words usually leads to generic results. Overloading with unrelated ideas. Keep the prompt focused. Contradictory descriptions. Dark and bright, or minimalist with too many details will confuse the system. Use quotation marks or unnecessary punctuations. Midjourney doesn't need them. Remember, be playful, be clear, and imagine you are giving directions to a visual thinker who is fast but not intuitive.